affects homes, businesses, and industries. Causes include inefficient production processes, inadequate waste management systems, and landfill overcrowding. Consequences include environmental degradation, pollution, habitat destruction, and greenhouse gas emissions. To combat this, efforts aim at recycling, waste reduction, eco-friendly product design, and responsible consumer behavior. A circular economy will reduce remanufacturing, while recycling products can minimize environmental impact and economic benefits. Excessive waste and improper disposal practices pose significant threats to the environment, leading to land, water, and air pollution, which disrupt ecological balance. Improper waste management contaminates land, pollutes groundwater, and disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystem, while uncontrolled disposal of industrial waste and untreated sewage leads to water pollution, threatening the aquatic habitats. Furthermore, improper waste disposal methods such as burning and incineration release toxic chemicals, greenhouse gases, and particulate matters, contributing to air pollution, posing to health risks to both humans and wildlife. The excessive presence of plastic waste also endangers wildlife and marine life through ingestion, entanglement, and starvation, underscoring the critical need for effective waste management practices to protect our ecosystems and biodiversity. Moving on to the solutions, there are various ways to make difference. First, by starting small, from collecting old magazines and papers from our studio at Carthead, and start to turn it into strips. The strips then are rolled into paper beads that later can turn into adjustable bracelets, necklaces, and tasbih. The trick is to play around with the strips, shape, and dimension to create different form of beads. Apart from that, the old newspaper under the stairs also could be dazzled into new stuff holders. The first step is to roll up the newspaper and flatten it to give them the form of bulk strength, and then to roll it again into circular shapes to give its character. These shapes then are to be grouped together to create a volume of makeup brush or perhaps stationery holder. Last but not least, waste we found around Kai is use of cooking oil. Just with lye and room temperature water, it can magically turn the use of oil into a new washing soap for hard surfaces and a worn fabric. For the conclusion, Quran emphasizes that since the beginning of the time, waste has been an environmental issue, but even before the existence of rubbish, there was a waste. Understanding the different forms of waste can help us figure ways to avoid and reduce it. Muslims have had lessons on avoiding and reducing waste for over 1,400 years, and we can all benefit from the guidance of the Holy Quran. We should live a balanced, eco-friendly life without harming nature and creatures who live in these environments. In conclusion, excessive waste can have a negative impact on the environment because it uses many processes that actually add to the various types of pollutions, such as impacting not just homes but also businesses and industries, with far-reaching effects on the environment, economy, and society. Converting the waste to something new may give us a more sustainable environment. For example, just at our home, the leftover used cooking oil can be converted into a soap, as other than being thrown to the drainage that it may clog the drain.